Today we're making garlic confit, or confit garlic, however you want to pronounce it. And last time I cooked with garlic in one of my videos, I burned it a little bit. I kept it in the video because I want to show you that I'm a real human being and that it's okay to make mistakes sometimes. But, you know, some of you couldn't wait to just say, "You burned the garlic, I'm so mad." Well.
Oh, well, pardon me, Mr. Perfect! I guess I forgot that you never ever make a mistake!
Hopefully today that ends. Let's make confit garlic. Preheat your oven to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm assuming that you guys know how to peel garlic, so I'm just gonna tell you. Peel a bunch of garlic and put it in a nice oven-safe dish like I've got right here. Submerge your garlic in olive oil. Couple sprigs of thyme, into your dirty oven for about 2 hours. You see, it needs to be a low heat because olive oil has a very low smoke point. Well, it's been about 2 hours and I think I'm going to have a look at them right now. They're not quite browned yet, so I'm gonna leave it in there another hour. So after about 3 hours at 240 in the oven, we got garlic confit. Garlic confit.